So guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can get a perfect resume for your job just using ChatGPT. So let's jump right into it. Alright, so first of all you need to do, you're gonna go to your favorite job site, no matters if it's our Microsoft jobs or Indeed or maybe your LinkedIn jobs. Anyways, you can just get the job from anywhere you want. So I'm going to search for the software engineering. Alright, so here we have a senior software engineer, and all you need to do here is just copy this job's description. So I'm going to copy it from here. Now all you need to do, you're gonna go and paste this in ChatGPT and just add another sentence that can you make a resume for this particular job description, and ChatGPT will automatically create a resume for you. So you can see we got a unique resume for our job description. So this is how you can write or create a resume using ChatGPT. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.